Two iPhone X are black and white came in for network and baseband issue respectively. The black one constantly shows no service, regardless of the SIM card inserted. We begin with the black one, and upon physical inspection, we found out there is a burn on the network circuit area, which affected the network service of the phone. Let's begin the repair. Successfully fixed. Network is back. While the white XR has no baseband at all, and the modem firmware is also gone. Upon diagnosis, we found out the BB_PMU is faulty. So, let's begin the repair. Repair process. Successfully fixed, baseband and modem firmware are back.